Unilock is for contractors. It is for premium outdoor living spaces. We need to have a product that can keep up with us. And Unilock does that.
When we're spending all this time on the installation methods, you want to put the best possible product down over the top of it that's going to perform exactly how you install it.
You're not just buying a product, you have a territory manager who's going to stand by that product, help you out through difficult situations and really be there to support you.
That kind of personal care you don't see everywhere. It feels like we're all together taking on these projects.
It gives our company a little more added validation in customers' eyes that the company products that we're installing, they stand behind us.
They're coming out with new products, new ideas. It's not just the same regular brick year after year.
Simply, if you want no maintenance, you want the best there is, this is what you use.